Kani ketika batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kasur karjela mentak sengi sitrik wiayong arjar arpo kalakren da kasur kapasai bahkan ompat syak ni ailat setia banwan Phai sakajela Meghalaya yaki Ngut ki Riewngeit Muslim ki babuhai snong hanong ba Shillong bat ki belalek bani shimenta hakajing le niam tablighi jamaat ha West Delhi nadu ka khatlai tarik hadu ka khat santrik gulber arjar arpo kini ki Ngut ki Riewngeit Muslim ki kentop yu Muhammad Nabil bat Muhammad Fayaz na Barapathar Muhammad Akhtar bat Muhammad Ziyad na Pulo Ataur Rahman bat Minas Udin na Lat Rembai bat Muhammad Sakid na Garikhana hakijing kran bigila pathai kubor menteri ramba kajela Konrad Kisangma uleh thu bakasor kar hi haduk menta kalakhang bat perking Phai galek kawan ji kipat ba nakawi kajela shkawipat bat kumju ru e galek kawan bat karung kami nakawi ke distrik shkawipat kumanchu kudau hang ni Kidon Ngut ki Riewngeit Muslim na kani kajela Meghalaya ki belalek bani shimenta ha kani gaji kenduk bat nakini Ngut kidang don menta ha nong bat Delhi bat Ngut kidon menta ha Lucknow Uttar Pradesh nakaliang ki he pulet jong kajela kilaya keren bat ki he pulet bat ki deputy commissioner jong kanong bat Delhi bat Lucknow na kabenta ban bat shwa ye kita ki beriau hapo kita ki jela kum shibenta ban yada na kajing sapriang jong nyang jing pang coronavirus ha kalangkari India brokawai.
As you're aware, from that program, there were 7 people who attended from our state, but fortunately, none of them have returned to the state yet. That's number one. Number two, the inter-district movement has also been stopped by the MHA. So, interstate is out of the question. So, therefore, there is no question of any movement that is allowed from any other part of the state, within the states also. And no question of any movement allowed from other states, there, except very, very extreme situations and conditions of medical importance. Otherwise, we are not allowing any movement to take place, and we have told all our district officials in the border districts to ensure that these particular norms are strictly